Hi, welcome to Professor Kev Show. Got my friends with us from STEM for Youth. Good evening, everyone. How y'all doing?
We're
We're
doing
doing
good. How are
good.
you?
So why don't we just take a quick second, introduce yourselves, and then just give us a little bit of an overview of what STEM for Youth is, please.
Yeah, of course. So my name's Risha Kulkarni.
My name is Amita.
My name is Sharon Lynn.
So STEM for Youth is a nonprofit organization dedicated to making STEM education accessible and enjoyable for all students, regardless of their background. Our mission is to inspire curiosity among children and empower the next generation of leaders in science, technology, engineering, and math.
I like it already. So tell me how you're doing this. How old are the children involved, and are you doing this in person? How's it all working?
Yeah, so one of the focuses of STEM for Youth is our workshops and STEM activities, and these include everything from interactive presentations, where we've done our classes like a mission to Mars, where students were tasked with creating a fictional robot to sustain life on Mars. So we've actually done like these lessons with students ranging from grades 3 to 8, and we split up the courses with a few being from 3 to 5 and a few others being from 5 to 8. And we've done a variety of different classes. So another one that we've done is one on sustainable urban development, where students have created model houses using sustainable resources online. And then also internationally, we have talked to various students in different countries, and we've hosted actually 4 workshops internationally where we were able to discuss the role of artificial intelligence and technology in healthcare.
Now, are you teaching these classes yourselves?
Yeah.
Tell me about that experience because it's cool, but it's hard to engage. How's it going so far?
Um,
Yes. Go ahead, Amita.
It's going great. And actually, what makes us unique is that we focus specifically on STEM and we want to make it approachable and fun. So we've been using different activities such as like Gimkit and Kahoot to create games that also teach topics in an engaging way. And we make it a priority to be able to relate to the kids so that we can turn STEM into something that they truly enjoy.
Now, where are you holding these courses?
So we've
Usually just over like a Zoom call.
Okay,
Um, we do a lot of virtual ones, so it's like nice to be able to use technology in it.
it is kind of neat. So, what's the future hold? Crystal ball time. Are you looking to expand? Are you gonna try to grow it outside this area, offer more courses? What's the future hold for us?
Yeah, so we have some short-term goals and some long-term goals that we hope to achieve. So short-term goal wise, we really hope to like expand in communities around us and hold more workshops that we've been doing already, but also continuing donation drives that we've been doing. So we've done a donation drive with school supplies, just like different type of materials that would be helpful in the STEM field. And hopefully developing new programs like for example, our mission to Mars, that was a really fun one for the kids. So hopefully like creating new ones, that would be very nice. And so long-term wise, we hope to build new partnerships with people and other organizations because by incorporating everyone together, we make the greater impact. And also expanding nationwide and globally is like a big part of what we want to do. And we've already reached some of that by some symposiums we've been doing virtually with other countries and virtual workshops that we've done in India as well as like Taiwan and yeah, so we just hope to reach to new communities and bigger areas to create a greater impact.
Has Mission to Mars been your most popular class? It sounds like it would be because I don't even know what you're doing, but I'm like, that sounds cool.
Definitely, because I feel like it's a nice one for the kids because it includes like, stuff about planets. Like it's not too difficult, yet it brings the idea of STEM into their life. And it's all about just like having fun, yet also creating an impact on them. So I feel like that's what.
So where's the funding been coming from?
Well,
Um,
funding right now has been pretty out of our own pockets, but we have been applying for grants and we hope like some of those work out eventually so we get return on investment. But honestly, the greatest investment is just watching like the kids' smiles and like seeing how much they've improved and how much like knowledge they've gained in the STEM fields. So that's where we are.
You kind of stole my next question, chuckle, chuckle. Because all kidding aside, that's why you're doing it. I mean, is to be able to see someone be a little nervous and then click and, they get it and they get so excited, like we did it, we made it. So that's very rewarding. So what's the best way for people to reach out to you, especially if they want to make a donation?
Yeah, so the best way for people to reach out to us is we have a bunch of links on our website. So if people want to volunteer, we have a volunteer form. If organizations want to partner with us, we have like an organization partnership form. And if people just want to donate money, we do have a Venmo set up so that we can, keep these classes going and keep the funding coming in.
And what's the website or the best way to reach out to you?
So the website is stemforyouth.com, or you can email us at stemforyouth.business.com.
Awesome. I appreciate you, all three of you taking a few minutes to call on the show. And as always, thanks for being my friend.
Yeah, thank you so
Thank
much for having
you.
us.
Of course.